Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Gather ingredients before starting to make brownies for an efficient workflow. Measure 1 cup butter, 2 cups sugar, and 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa. Add 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1 cup flour. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8x8-inch pan with parchment. Set out a bowl, whisk, spatula, and measuring cups for easy mixing. This prep takes about 10 minutes and prevents mistakes during mixing and baking. If adding nuts, measure 1 cup and chop evenly for distribution. Start by melting butter gently and stirring in sugar until combined. Whisk in eggs one at a time and beat until smooth. Sift cocoa and flour together, then fold gently into the batter. Pour batter into the prepared 8x8-inch pan and level gently. Bake at 350 degrees F for 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick shows moist crumbs. Cool in pan for 15 minutes, then transfer to a rack to cool completely. Use a toothpick test rather than time alone for perfect fudgy texture. Customize brownies by folding in 1/2 cup chocolate chips or 1 cup chopped nuts. Swirl 1/2 cup peanut butter or frosting over batter before baking for richness. Bake plain batter for fudgy brownies and longer for cakier texture. Cut cooled pan into 16 equal squares for consistent serving sizes. Store brownies at room temperature for 3 days or refrigerate for 1 week. Freeze tightly wrapped brownies up to 3 months and thaw at room temperature. Serve warm with ice cream or let cool for portable snacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.